In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see your sent friend requests on Facebook. Viewing your sent friend requests on Facebook is essential for managing your connections effectively. It allows you to track pending requests or cancel them if you've changed your mind. To do this, simply head to Facebook. Tap on the menus icon on your bottom right. On this page, head to the Friends section right here. On this page, head to Friends Requests right here. To see people you sent requests to, just tap on these three dots on your upper right corner and select on View Sent Requests. Here you will see accounts you've requested to be friends with. You can cancel the request at any time. Anyway, this overall helps in maintaining control over who you're connecting with, ensuring your social network stays organized and aligned with your intentions. That's how easy it is to see sent friend requests on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.